So if I use it in my car, it also work with Google. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Last video we unboxed the Snap. On this video, since my phone doesn't have wireless charging, I figured out, okay, what can I do to get that feature of easy charging without the wireless charging? So I went on Amazon and found a few things that might help me with that. So let's check it out. Okay, good. Okay, here we have the first part. Okay, I ordered this, which brings a USB Type-C adapter that goes into your phone. Once it goes into your phone, just bring this close by and snap. It's that easy. So just snap it in, and that's it. With that, I ordered a few cables. I ordered 3 USB Type-C cables, which were pretty good bargain. Very strong cables, as you can see. I just have to plug this and just put close by to the phone, and it will connect fast and direct, that easily. So what I did was I ordered only one adapter for the phone, because I only have one phone with USB Type-C, and 2 of these. So I can have one on my car and another one in my home. Just put it close by to my phone, and that's it. Start charging. And also works with data transfer. So if I use it in my car, it also work with Google Car and Apple CarPlay. So that's it. Fairly simple. Now I just have to attach my phone to my Snap in my car, put this close by, and that's it. I'm done. I don't have to do anything else. I might not have wireless charging, but this works pretty good. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please hit the notification bell to get notified of my next videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.